Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Here, let's tap on this highlighted option, Languages and Input, and tap on Languages. And basically, this is the list of all kind of currently applied languages we've got on English, or a shortcut of the languages which are commonly used by us. So let's tap on Other Languages, and here we've got the list of all pre-installed options from which we can choose. So basically, find yours and tap on it. Let me pick maybe Turkish. Just tap on it, and your device will immediately ask you if you want to set this language as a default one. So that's quite cool. You do not have to swipe through the languages. So let's simply tap on Apply Language, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied to this list, kind of highlighted, or a shortcut list. And from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Of course, if you've got more than one language added here, you can change the language just by reordering the list. So let me tap on English and hold it, and then drag it to the first position to set the English as a primary language. If you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove. Mark the language and tap on Remove. Confirm it, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.